Somewhere in America right now, there is a person sitting at a desk doing a job they are reasonably good at, earning a salary they worked hard to reach. They are responsible. They invest something every month. They are doing most of what they were told to do, and they have absolutely no idea that there is a specific dollar amount sitting in a portfolio somewhere that would make their salary optional. Not someday, not in theory, mathematically, permanently. Most people spend 40 years chasing a bigger paycheck without ever being told that the paycheck itself can be replaced. Not by luck, not by inheritance, but by a portfolio that reaches a precise threshold and begins generating more income in a year than their job does. That threshold has a name. It is calculable. It is different for everyone. And for most people, it is significantly closer than they have been led to believe, because the number they have been told to aim for is wrong. By the end of this video, you will know what that threshold is, how to calculate your own, and exactly what the journey toward it looks like, year by year, milestone by milestone. If that is the kind of clarity you have been looking for, stay with us, because this changes how you see every dollar you earn from here forward. There are actually 2 milestones on this journey, not one. Most people conflate them, and that confusion costs them clarity. The first milestone is called the crossover point. It is the moment your portfolio's annual growth exceeds what you contribute to it each year. If you invest $15,000 annually and your portfolio earns 7%, the crossover point hits when your portfolio reaches roughly $214,000. At that value, 7% growth generates $15,000, matching your contribution dollar for dollar. From that moment forward, compounding contributes more than you do. For most consistent investors, this milestone arrives somewhere between year 10 and year 15. It is achievable, it is concrete, and psychologically, it is the moment the machine stops feeling like something you push and starts feeling like something that pulls. Worth noting, the exact threshold is personal. The more you contribute each year, the higher the portfolio value needed to cross it. But the crossover point is not the finish line. It is the first major signal that the second engine of your wealth has come alive. The second milestone is what this video is actually about. Call it the breakaway point, the moment your portfolio's annual growth matches or exceeds your annual salary. Not your contributions, your salary. The income your job pays you for a full year of work. This is a different calculation entirely, and it requires a more honest conversation about what that number actually needs to be. The instinct is to assume you need your portfolio to replace 100% of your current salary. If you earn $90,000 a year, you need your investments to generate $90,000 a year. That logic is intuitive, but for most people it overstates the actual target, and in doing so, makes the breakaway point feel further away than it is. Consider what changes when you stop working. The mortgage may be paid off, the kids are financially independent, commuting costs disappear, work-related expenses, clothing, lunches, professional fees are gone. The portion of your income that was going toward retirement savings no longer needs to be replaced, because you are retired. Financial planning research consistently points to 60 to 75% of pre-retirement income as the realistic replacement target for most households. Not 100, not 80 in most cases. Closer to 2/3. On a $90,000 salary, that brings the actual target to somewhere between $54,000 and $67,500 per year. We will use $63,000, roughly 70%, as a clean conservative midpoint. The formula from there is straightforward. Divide your target income by your expected real rate of return. Real return means after inflation, the number that reflects what your money actually buys, not just what the account balance says. The S&P 500's long-run historical average, adjusted for inflation, has been approximately 7%. That is the number we will use. $63,000 divided by 0.07 equals $900,000. That is the breakaway point for someone earning $90,000 a year, assuming realistically that they need about 70% of that income in retirement. Now compare that to the 100% assumption. $90,000 divided by 0.07 is $1.28 million. The difference between those two targets is nearly $380,000, which on a consistent savings plan represents years of additional contributions. The assumption you start with changes the destination entirely. Your number will be different. The formula stays the same. Multiply your salary by your realistic income replacement rate, then divide by 0.07. That result is your breakaway point. If that number just reframed how you think about your financial future, this is the kind of breakdown MindCraft publishes every week. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Now let's see exactly what the path to that number looks like, year by year. Picture two lines on a graph. The first is your salary, flat at $90,000. The second is your portfolio's annual growth, starting near zero. Assume you're investing $15,000 a year, a disciplined but achievable savings rate, into a broadly diversified index fund, earning 7% annually in real returns. In the early years, the growth line barely moves. By year 5, your portfolio sits around $87,000. Annual growth at 7% is roughly $6,100. Your contributions are doing nearly all of the work. This is the phase that breaks most people. Not because the math is failing, but because the progress feels invisible. By year 10, the picture shifts. Your portfolio has grown to around $207,000. Annual growth is now $14,500. The crossover point is close. The second engine is warming up. Around year 11, you cross it. Your portfolio clears $214,000. Growth surpasses your contributions. For the first time, your money is the harder worker. By year 20, your portfolio is approaching $615,000. It generates over $43,000 annually, nearly half your salary, passively. The gap between the two lines is narrowing in a way that starts to feel real. Somewhere around year 25, the lines meet. Your portfolio reaches $900,000. At 7%, it produces $63,000 a year, the income you actually need. The salary line no longer towers over the growth line. They are even. That is the breakaway point. From here, every additional year of contributions is acceleration, not necessity. Work becomes a choice backed by capital, not an obligation backed by fear. Not everyone will reach the breakaway point. That deserves to be said directly. Reaching a $900,000 portfolio on a $90,000 salary requires 2 decades of consistent investing, the discipline to leave the money alone through market downturns, and enough income stability to keep contributions funded through the inevitable interruptions life delivers. Those are not small requirements, but here is what matters. The breakaway point is not the only milestone that changes your life. The crossover point, that earlier, more accessible milestone where compounding outpaces contributions, transforms the psychology of investing in ways that are just as significant. Once your portfolio is growing faster than you can feed it, the pressure underneath every financial decision begins to shift. Job loss becomes a disruption, not a catastrophe. A bad year in the market becomes a buying opportunity, not a threat to your future. Progress toward the breakaway point, even if you never fully arrive, accumulates in real, measurable ways. A portfolio at $500,000 generating $35,000 a year covers a mortgage. A portfolio at $650,000 generating $45,000 a year, combined with Social Security, funds a dignified retirement for many Americans. These are not consolation prizes. They are the result of a sustained, intelligent plan. The breakaway point is a target worth aiming at, but the journey toward it, every milestone along the way, is where the actual transformation happens. Think back to the person we described at the start, sitting at a desk, responsible, investing something every month, doing most of what they were told to do. The only thing missing was a target, a specific, honest number that tells them exactly when the second engine takes over. That is what you have now. Most people will spend their entire working lives without it. They will optimize for the wrong number, aim at the wrong finish line, and never realize how close the real one actually was. The difference between them and you is not income. It is not discipline. It is information, and you now have it. You are not that person anymore. Calculate your breakaway point. Use the real number, the one based on what you actually need, not what sounds impressive. Write it down, then let every dollar you invest from here forward carry the weight of what it is actually building toward. That is not a small thing. That is the whole game. If this video shifted how you see your financial future, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Drop your breakaway point number in the comments. Writing it down is the first step to making it real. This is MindCraft, where ideas become action and action becomes your future.